There's my baby boy. Hey, babe. Where's the deer? Oh, look at the baby deer. He's so big. Little baby. He's a big boy. He's still warm. Poor baby. Are you happy you got a deer? This is me trying to plan out what in the world we're gonna be doing up in here. And my son's jacket. I think it's my son's. Should we get a bigger TV? So this is what it looks like so far. I think this is how we're probably going to have it laid out. Have this up here, like right on here. Have this here, or around here. Have a carpenter fabricate like some type of casing, like metal. No. I mean wood or whatever. And so it'll be scooted over a little bit. But, you know, put wood around it and then put like wood legs on this to bring it up to the same height. And then maybe do the same thing over here, but just wood. Unless we do with that spinny thing. I'm not sure. Because if we put one shelf here, then we can do small shelves up here, maybe, like from there to there. But I don't know. And then you could do like shelves, like 1 or 2 shelves down here, but that's kind of awkward to get to. Oh, unless we expand it all the way out to here. Like we can put a shelf from here to there, and then maybe, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do there. Because I could just get like a freestanding shelf and put appliances on it. I don't know what we're doing, guys. I mean, this is just, hopefully it'll come together and look great. But now we have a microwave that goes over the oven, the stove. We have a dishwasher now. And then, so far I only have one of these, but I think I need to order another one. So this one will be here. Get another one, put it over here, and then put this on in between them. I was going to have them like freestanding up, like with wood supports and stuff, but my friend was like, you don't even need a countertop anymore. But we have it. It was free. Off the side of the road. So I really want to use it, and I would prefer, so if we put this up here, we can get bar stools in the middle, you know what I mean? So we have a washer and dryer over here, washer and dryer over here, and then have all this space right here for bar stools, and like people can eat here, because like technically, you know, at the end of the day, once all that's there, we may have like a china cabinet or something over here. There's not going to be any room for like a real table. You know, there's no dining room. Like all of that back there is going to be beds. So we may have like, we could potentially put some type of table in here, but it's going to more than likely just be a coffee table. Like we could put a coffee table that like comes up as like a desk type table, but I think we're doing regular bunk beds here now. We can't do the log bunk beds. I'm so sad, but we can figure something out. Then maybe we can do some sofa, something over I don't know, guys. This is so much more complicated than I expected. But hopefully Like, we need to squeeze as many beds as we can in here, but I don't want it to be like too stuffy. We need to like figure out how we can use this space like smartly. You know what I mean? Like, we need to maximize the usability of each of the different type, spaces. So I think it's working out great. I just don't know exactly. We're gonna need a bunch of coffee. What are those things called? The living room stand things that you eat off of? Yeah, we're gonna need some of those for sure. Because like people sit at their bed and eat and watch TV, right? And then maybe we could even put a TV in here somewhere. And they could sit in here and watch TV too. Is that crazy or what? My husband's like, we need to cut down our budget. So our budget, we're only gonna have like 20 or 30,000. And no, I think 20,000. And we're already past 25,000 on what I had planned on doing. So we're cutting back a lot. Okay, guys. Well, this is it. This is our beautiful bunkhouse. I need to take that sign down. It's always there. Pepsi. It was given to us for free, so. Alright, guys. They're calling me with some duck calls. My mother-in-law gave us a bunch of wooden stuff, which is awesome, but it has hearts on it. I don't know what we're gonna do with hearts. Like, I mean, it's cute and all, but look, this one's cute, but it's got hearts. It's got hearts and bows. Wooden hearts and bows, guys. It's not really going with our theme, Mama. It's not going with our theme. What's this one? More hearts, guys. What is up with these people with hearts and wood? Oh, let's carve an awesome shelf and put cute little hearts on it. I don't know what we're gonna do with all this stuff. Put some hearts up in there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy my vlogs. Please subscribe to my awesome channel, because we love doing awesome stuff. I still gotta paint. It's a lot of work. But I'm loving it. I'm gonna leave the lights on just in case someone tries to come and do something bad.